January 20th, 2021 Fluency. What is the quotient of 85 divided by 2? All right, so that first one, quotient, remember that means divide. So we're going to do 85 divided by 2. I'm actually going to move that down a little bit. There we go. 85 divided by 2. All right, so 2 can go into 8, and it can go in 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8, so we're going to subtract, we get 0. Remember, we need to bring down that 5. How many times can 2 go into 5? It can go in 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. We're going to subtract, we get 1. Now, we are going to have to add a decimal here. We're going to make it this decimal. So we're going to have to add a decimal and a placeholder of 0. I'm going to extend my line here, my division symbol. Now I'm going to be able to bring down this 0. And now, how many times can 2 go into 10? It can, oh, sorry, I forgot. We need to pop up that decimal as well. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10. You subtract, you get 0. Now there's no more remainders and nothing else to bring down. So our answer is going to be 42 and 5/10, or 42.5. So that's our answer for that one. I guess I can put it 42.5. There we go. All right, now next one, difference. Find the difference. Oh yeah, difference means subtracting. So 19 and 3 thousandths minus 2 and 35 hundredths. Remember, we need to line them up. Line up those decimals when we are, my goodness, I don't like these lines. When we're subtracting, we need to line them up. Yes, you can put a placeholder of 0 here. All right, now we can start subtracting. 3 minus 0 is 3. Can we do 0 minus 5? Nope, so we need to borrow from this 0. Oh, we need to borrow all the way from this 9 to make it an 8. Now this can become a 10. Now we can borrow from this 10 to make it a 9, to make this 0 a 10. So 10 minus 5 is going to be 5. 9 minus 3, 9, 8, 7, 6. It's going to be 6. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 8 minus 2 is going to be 6 as well. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So our answer for, I need that back up there. There we go. Our answer for this one is going to be 16 and 653 thousandths. All right, let's take a look at the next one. What is the quotient? So again, division here. All right, so 3,822 divided by 21. I'm actually going to move this down to start. All right, now there's no decimals to pop up, so we're going to go ahead and get started on dividing. 21 cannot go into 3, but 21 can go into 38. I know it can only go in just one time, which is okay. So 21 times 1 is 21. Now we're going to subtract. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. We're going to bring down that next 2 here. Now we have 172. How many times can 21 go into 172? I don't know. Let's take a guess. Let's try. So 21, what do you want to try? Maybe times 6? I don't know. Let's try 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 126. Nope, it's got to be more. What do you want to try now? Maybe 9? 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. That's too much. So let's try 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So there we go. It's going to go in 8 times. 8 times, and you're going to have 168. You go subtract and get, we don't get 0. 2 minus 8 you can't do. So that 7 is going to become a 6 to make this to a 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. We need to bring down this next 2. All right, now I am going to move this up a little bit. All right, so Now we have 42. Oh, I know 21 can go in 2 times. 21 times 2 is actually 42. We'll subtract, we'll get 0, no remainders, nothing left over. So our answer is going to be 182. Woohoo! 182. And that is it for our fluency. Great job!